1.3 Air conditioning. Let's begin. Cooling a room. An air conditioner cools a room. Can a refrigerator also cool a room? No. An air conditioner releases heat to outdoor. A refrigerator releases heat inside the room. The room will become hotter and hotter as electrical energy is consumed. Standing in front of a refrigerator can be cool, but its back is in fact very hot, and the room even increases in temperature. 1. How an air conditioner works. Laterally, heat always flows from higher to lower temperature bodies. On the other hand, a heat pump such as an air conditioner can remove heat from higher to lower temperature bodies. Inside an air conditioner, there are compressor, condensing coil, expansion valve, and evaporator coil. They form a closed loop, inside which refrigerant circulates as driven by the compressor. Let's take a close look of the process. First, after passing through the expansion valve, cold liquid vapor mixture of the refrigerants flows in the evaporator coil. It absorbs latent heat of vaporization from the room to evaporate. Then the warm vapor is compressed, and condensation produces heating effect, and so hot vapor flows in the condensing coil and releases latent heat of vaporization to outside, while the refrigerant condenses to a liquid. When the cold liquid refrigerant returns to the expansion valve, it expands and becomes cold because the evaporation produces a cooling effect to the liquid, and so a cold liquid vapor mixture passes to the evaporator coil again, and then the cycle repeats. So there is a evaporator coil in the front, and so E and F together. And there is also a condensing coil at the back, B and C together. These apply to the case of an air conditioner. The evaporator coil and condensing coil are highly coiled, and they have many metal fins in order to increase their surface area, so as to improve heat transfer by conduction and radiation. While the evaporator coil and condensing coil look alike, they have different functions. Let's revise the process of the cooling action. First, cold liquid vapor mixture is discharged from the expansion valve. It passes through the evaporator coil. The refrigerant absorbs heat from indoor and becomes warm vapor refrigerant. And then it passes through the compressor. Hot vapor refrigerant then enters the condensing coil and releases heat to outdoor. At last, the warm liquid refrigerant goes into the expansion valve, and the cycle repeats. Now, underline the key points in the following paragraphs and read the table carefully to go through the process in details. An air conditioner is a heat pump. The heat of the room is removed together with the electrical energy, which is used mostly as work done on the refrigerant. They are all released to the outdoor surroundings, mostly is heat and sound energy. Example 5. Heat transfer in an air conditioner. Notes the role of latent heat of vaporization, and also notes that the coils with metal fins increases their surface area, and thus better heat conduction and radiation result. Do check point 4 below.